Blood groups are classifications that determine the existence or absence of specific antigens located on the surface of red blood cells. These blood group categories are A, B, AB, and O. When combined with the Rh factor, play an important role in medical science. The blood groups are the foundation for transfusion practices, organ transplantation, and maternal fetal health, helping doctors prevent dangerous immune reactions and safeguard human lives during the times of medical emergencies and procedures. In this article, we are going to cover blood groups, their types and components. Blood groups are important categories that depend on the presence of antigens on red blood cells and antibodies circulating in the plasma. The ABO system separates the blood into four primary categories. Type A contains A antigens, type B consists of B antigens, and type AB contains both antigens, and type O contains none. Along with this, the Rh factor determines whether the blood is positive Rh plus or negative Rh minus. For example, an individual can have A plus, A minus, B plus, or O minus. This categorization helps in understanding blood compatibility and its success rate in transfusion and organ transplants. If incompatible blood is introduced, the immune system can launch a severe and often life-threatening reaction. A well-known example is that O minus blood is universally accepted as a donor type, while AB plus is universally compatible as a recipient. Understanding these restrictions allows for safe, effective medical interventions. Blood groups types. The ABO and Rh system form the basis of modern transfusion medicine. The eight main blood types derived from these systems are A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, AB plus, AB minus, O plus, and O minus. ABO blood group system. Type A antigen present A, antibody present anti-B. Type B antigen present B, antibody present anti-A. Type AB antigens present both A and B, antibody present none, known as the universal recipient. Type O antigen present none, antibodies present both anti-A and anti-B, known as the universal donor. Rh factor. Rh positive indicates the presence of the D antigen on red blood cells. Rh negative indicates the absence of the D antigen. This combination of ABO and Rh factors provide the 8 recognized blood types that guide clinical decision in medicine. Blood group components. The blood groups depend on specific molecules and immune markers present in red blood cells and plasma. Antigens. These are proteins or sugars available on the surface of red blood cells. Their composition decides an individual's blood type. A antigen is present in type A blood. B antigen is present in type B blood. Both A and B antigen is found in type AB blood. No antigen is found in type O blood. Rh antigen D determines whether a blood group is positive or negative. Antibodies found in plasma. Antibodies target foreign antigens to prevent harmful reactions. Anti-A is found in type B and O blood. Anti-B is found in type A and O blood. No antibodies is found in type AB blood. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood that carries antibodies, nutrient, water products, and hormones. It supports immune activity and nutrient transport. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are specialized cells that carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. Their antigenic surface determines blood group identity. These elements interact to maintain compatibility and prevent transfusion-related complications. Blood groups linked diseases. Blood groups help in the understanding of certain diseases and health risks. These diseases include cardiovascular disease. Individuals with blood groups AB or B have a higher risk of heart-related conditions due to elevated clotting factors and inflammatory markers. By contrast, O group individuals are generally less vulnerable to coronary artery disease. Thrombosis. Blood groups A, B, and AB carry a greater chance of developing various thromboembolism, largely because of higher levels of clotting proteins such as factor VIII. Malaria. Interestingly, blood group O offers some resistance to severe malaria infection, whereas group A increased susceptibility allow parasites to adhere more easily to red blood cells. Gastric and peptic ulcers. Group O individuals are at high risk of Helicobacter pylori infections, often linked to stomach ulcers. On the other hand, group A is correlated with gastric cancer, showing a different disease connection. Cancer risk. Blood group A has been observed to carry a higher risk for cancers of the stomach and pancreas owing to unique antigen-related mechanism. Autoimmune disorders. Blood groups may affect the likelihood of developing autoimmune conditions. For example, AB group individuals show a slightly increased risk due to immune complexity. Hemolytic disease of the newborn occurs when an Rh minus mother carries an Rh plus fetus, causing her immune system to attack fetal red blood cells. Modern medicine now prevents this with targeted injections. By studying these links, doctors gain valuable insights for personalized healthcare and preventive medicines. Blood group significance. Blood groups form the foundation of modern medicine, governing transfusion, organ transplantation, and maternal fetal health. While the ABU and RS systems remain central, recent discoveries like LAN-WELL and ER groups emphasize the growing complexity of immunohematology. Understanding these classifications is not only about safe transfusion practices but also about embracing the diversity of human biology, enhance the safety of transfusion by identifying previously unknown incompatibilities, provide valuable insights into rare disease and organ transplant compatibility, support the advancement of personalized medicine where treatment is tailored to a patient-specific blood phenotype. Ongoing research may reveal even more systems, deepening our understanding of human genetic diversity.